Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll guide you through downloading and replicating projects and designs in X1080. Start by logging into your X1080 account and selecting all projects from the Projects drop-down menu on the dashboard. You'll see a list of your projects. For this tutorial, let's select the Alphabet project. On the project page, you'll find your designs. To create a duplicate of your project, click Replicate Project under the Actions table. A dialog box will pop up. Select the designs you want to replicate, then click Next. You can either select a pre-existing project or create a new one. For this example, I'll create a new project, switch the toggle to Yes for project documents and sharing, and click Replicate. You will notice that the new project has been created using the designs you selected earlier. You can further edit details of the design by clicking on the More button according to your requirements. Moving on to duplicating designs, navigate to the More option of the design and select Replicate Design. Name your design, select the project under which you want to duplicate the design, and click Replicate. You will notice that the selected design has been replicated under your selected project. Additionally, you can download the project and design in zip format by clicking Download Zip under the Actions table. Choose the designs, customize your preferred file format and documents for download, click Save, and Continue. Your zip will be sent to your registered email. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and information, log on to x1080.com.